What's up, guys? Today we're going to talk about how you can use Quora in your marketing strategy and also how you can use my secret hack called Jarvis AI. I hope you're ready because I know I am. Let's do it. Alright guys, I'm really excited about today's videos. I'm going to show you some of my favorite Quora hacks. I've actually been using Quora since the early days of my business. I've gotten free sales and leads. I've even got to optimize my YouTube videos and blog posts better because of Quora, and it takes almost no time to do it. So I'm excited to share some of these strategies with you, and I think they're going to be very helpful for you and your business. But before we dive into my computer, allow me to introduce myself just in case this is your first time on the channel. My name is Jake. The purpose of this channel is to help Christians achieve financial freedom so they can more effectively fulfill the mission to which God has called them. If you're a Christian or if you're just trying to achieve financial freedom, I hope you'll consider subscribing today. And with that being said, let's dive into my computer and see how you can use Quora in your marketing strategy. All right, so here we are on Quora.com and we're logged into my account. Now, just in case you're not familiar with Quora, it's actually designed to be a question and answer site across pretty much every niche there is. I mean, you can see some of the spaces here on the left side. Growth hackers, psychology, entrepreneurial mindset. It literally has every type of question you can imagine on this site. So what we're going to do as an affiliate marketer is answer questions that will help drive leads to our product or to our affiliate offer. So there's a lot of ways you can do this. When I first started, I sent directly to landing pages to collect leads, and I started getting warnings from Quora that you weren't supposed to do this. So I actually changed and started sending traffic to my blogs and to my YouTube videos. So this is not only helpful to get traffic to those channels, but to also help with SEO for my blogs and my YouTube videos. So not only are these questions displayed on Quora's site, they're also often searchable on Google. For example, maybe these specific search terms aren't, but maybe if someone asked, how do high ticket affiliate marketers make money? You type that into Google, maybe this would be the answer that popped up. And because of that, you can answer a single question and continue to get views for a very, very long time. And let me show you some of my stats to prove that. So you'll see over the course of my Quora account, I've got 64,000 views on questions that I've answered. Now that might not seem crazy impressive until you realize how little I've actually used Quora. So I used Quora back when I first started my business in October for 2 weeks or so. So you'll see these spikes where I was having days where I was getting 400 plus views on my answers. Well, I stopped using it at that point because it took a long time to specifically answer all these questions, which is where my secret hack of Jarvis comes in handy. But these few questions that I answered over the course of a couple weeks have generated views for now over 18 months. Like, for a very long time, these answers over the course of 1 month have continued to drive traffic. So what that means is we can take our blog content or our YouTube content or maybe even our TikTok content or whatever other platforms you're using. We can answer questions and then we can put in links to that content, which is of course going to drive sales and leads for your business. You can possibly even do landing pages depending on how you do it. It's worth testing to see if they'll hit you or if they'll block your answers. And if they do that, obviously stop. But it's definitely worth trying, as you don't have to send them to content. You can send them directly to a landing page, maybe using a free lead magnet or something like that. So what you're going to see here is, let me actually go back to more of the past week. So I just started, I think on this day I did it, and on this day I did it. I created a YouTube video, and then I started answering questions relating to that YouTube video and then dropping my YouTube video into the answer. So let me show you exactly how I did that. All right, so I click on notifications, go down to upvotes, and you'll see some of these right here are questions that I've answered that other people are upvoting. You'll see some people have even shared my content or my answers. So let me go to one of them just for an example. Here's a question I answered 6 days ago on July 13th. So what I did was I made this answer, and that answer took me approximately 10 seconds to generate. And I'll show you how to do that here in a few minutes. So I generated this answer. And then I inputted my YouTube video right here. They click it. Now they have my YouTube video. So this is what I now do with every YouTube video I post. If I get bored one day, it's actually not even a bad way just to go through my YouTube channel. Let me pull up my YouTube channel right here. I could pick any video and then go answer questions by using this content. So let me just find an example. Let's say I wanted to promote my active campaign video from down here. What I would do is go back to Quora. We'd start by typing in active campaign. We could also do autoresponders and answer people's questions about autoresponders by pointing them to active campaign. Actually, well, that's what I would typically do. But when we come down here, I typically want to find the most recent questions because the goal is to be highly ranked on whatever question, right? 10 people might answer the question, but if you're one of the first, you're more likely to get shares, more likely to get upvotes, and more likely for people to see your content. So let's see in the past hour what questions have been asked around active campaign. Okay, nothing in the past hour. Is affiliate marketing allowed on active campaign? So we'll pull this one up. And then we're going to pull up Jarvis. Now, I recently did a full review video on Jarvis AI. It is a AI bot that basically helps you and does a lot of copywriting work for you. I'll link that up in the top right corner of this video. You can see my full review on this platform. I nerd out about Jarvis. I think it's such a good platform. So you're welcome to go watch that video and learn more about it. So what you're going to do is go to templates, scroll down to where it says Quora answers. So I've got too many of these pulled up. One second. Get rid of some of these. Okay. So is affiliate marketing allowed on active campaign? I'm going to copy that and put that in for the question. Information to include in the answer. Just something that you, obviously it's a very limited amount that you're allowed to do, but something that you want to be in the answer. All right, so yes, you can absolutely use active campaign for affiliate marketing. I do it, so it's absolutely true that you can. And then we're going to generate content. Tone of voice, I usually just use helpful, but you could use any option there. So we're going to take a second. It's going to give us 2 outputs. I probably should have done 3, but that's fine. So let's see some of the answers it gave us. Yes, you can absolutely use it. If you have a website, just link it in your active campaign platform and generate emails to promote. That one's okay. It's not the best. There are a few things to keep in mind when using active campaign for your affiliate marketing efforts. This is probably going to be a very good answer. Account to work with your affiliates, typically marketing. If you do this, someone is likely going to show up and ask questions. It makes sense for them. Those are okay. Let me try another one. Again, I could use that one and just edit it a little bit, but it's not the best answer. All right, so here's one that works. Yes, you can absolutely use Active Campaign for affiliate marketing. There are many channels built into Active Campaign that make managing your affiliate business super easy, and we want to help affiliates succeed. After all, they're the ones introducing new people to our platform. So obviously, Active Campaign will allow affiliates, considering that they do affiliate marketing themselves. You just have to be wise in how you do it. So I'm going to copy this answer. And of course, I get over here and realize I've already answered this question. You'll see right here, you've written an answer already. And I did so by using Jarvis. So let's go down and see what answer we got. Affiliate marketing is allowed on Active Campaign as long as you simply provide helpful information. So you can see all of that right there. And then what I did was I added my link, and that has gotten 39 views since Thursday. So what is that, 5 days? Which is pretty awesome considering this took me 5 seconds to generate something there with Jarvis. Let's see if we can find another one for Active Campaign. Let's use autoresponder. Let's see if we have anyone who's asked the question within the last hour. No, we don't. All right, we're actually going to do a different one then. Let's pull my YouTube channel back up, and let's do something. with, not that one, affiliate marketing, paid advertising, and we'll use my review on Google AdWords for it. I'm losing hope. How can I make just $10? This isn't the best one. But we can make that work. So I'm losing hope on affiliate marketing. How can I just make $10 doing affiliate marketing? So we're going to take that question, copy and paste it. Actually, we're just going to paste the question. One of my ways, actually. Advertising, like Google Ads. All right, let's see what kind of answer we get. Give it just a second. It's difficult, but it's definitely possible to make some money. A good start would be affiliate marketing. That's not a great one. Is by doing Google AdWords. It's a way to advertise your website. Perfect. This one right here. Actually, let me read this one as well. Yeah, you could use that as well, but I'm going to use this one just because it's very, very simple. So we're going to come here. We're going to click Answer. Copy and paste. We're going to take out that part. So one of the easiest ways to begin affiliate marketing is by doing Google AdWords. It's a way to advertise your... let's go your affiliate offer. And then get paid. Some clicks. Step by step. Here is a video I recently created on how you can do it. Here we go. And then we come over. Actually, can't do it from there. We'll come to here. Get shareable link. Jump back over, drop our link right there at the bottom. And this whole process took maybe 60 seconds. It took no time to generate an answer. I copied and pasted the video I wanted to use. And there it is. And then this will continue to get traffic over and over and over again. And I can do pretty much after every YouTube video or blog post I create at this point, I'll do 10 quick Quora answers. It'll take me anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes. And then I have help the SEO for that specific piece of content. And not to mention, I am driving traffic through Quora itself. So Quora is a great opportunity to drive traffic to your affiliate offers. You can drive it to your content. You can drive it strictly to your affiliate offer, though that's not my favorite way to do it. So it just depends the type of strategy you want to implement. But I highly suggest trying this out. I also suggest going and checking out this review I did on Jarvis, as not only can you learn to do this with Quora, you can do this with any type of copy that you're using in your business. So I highly, highly, highly recommend checking out Jarvis. I also have a really cool bonus package for anyone who starts their free trial through my link for Jarvis. And you can find all that down in the description of this video. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments. I'll be more than happy to answer those and help you start making money by implementing a Quora strategy into your business. I usually don't like to add too many traffic sources into my affiliate business. It just spreads me way too thin, but I found that Quora is a great one to use because I can do it so quickly, and it's such a powerful search engine, so it gets a ton of views, and it helps the SEO on Google and on YouTube for my content. So guys, I hope this was helpful. Please do consider subscribing, hit that like button for me, and all that being said, I will see you on the next video.